Hi, in this video, we will see installation and activation of CRTK along with downloading help files and finding examples of CRTK. To install CRTK, open VIPM in admin mode. Ensure that VIPM of version later than 2017 is installed. Open LabVIEW in admin mode. Go to ni.com and browse for CRTK. Scroll through the search results and click on the package you want to install. Click on Download. On the Downloads website, click on Download through VIPM. Select version of package and click on Install. Accept the terms and conditions and proceed for installation. After installation finishes, close the VIPM. CRTK is now installed. To activate, launch LabVIEW. If the pop-up does not show up, go to Help and click on Activate Add-ons. Click on Activate Add-ons, select the add-on and click on Activate. Mail the two user codes displayed on screen to support@constelli.com. Ensure that the mail contains complete name and ID of the product. You will receive the response mail as shown. Enter the codes obtained and mail in the Activation Codes box, then, click on Activate. And, Finish. CRTK is now installed. For support and more information, visit constelli.com/rtk and download help files. Extract the contents of the zip file. In case the content doesn't show up and displays a blank screen, right-click on CHM file and go to Properties. Check the Unblock button and click on OK. Now open the help file and navigate through to find detailed help on each of the vias in the CRTK. To find examples of CRTK, go to Help, Find Examples. Search for CRTK in the Example Finder. Open the required example and explore. Visit constelli.com for more details and other solutions. Thanks for watching.